Okay dudes, videos are back. Just a quick little narration on the simultaneous equations, linears, quadratics and circles. What are we doing here? First of all, we're going to define what we call the equations for linear, circles and quadratics. Then we'll talk about simultaneous equations for a little bit, then I'll shut up and go away. First of all, what is the form of a linear equation? Y equals mx plus e. Now you've seen in other videos with me that there are other forms of linear equation, but I'm using this one now because hey, you know about all the rest. Circle is x squared plus y squared equals r squared. That's going to get expanded soon for you. As in, x squared plus y squared equals r squared is the form when you've got the centre at 0, 0. And circles obviously not all live at 0, 0. So look for that in the future. Basically what happens is it becomes something like x plus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared. And it's just the opposite number is the centre. So if you've got x plus 3, then your x coordinate of your centre will be minus 3. And if you've got y minus 2 squared, your y coordinate of your centre will be 2. So there's that. And of course the quadratic ax squared plus bx plus c. Hopefully you recognise that, it's a thing. Generally there are up to 2 solutions. If there's 2 solutions, that also means that if you drew the graphs, there'll be 2 intersections. Same, it could be 1, it could also be none. Those things are things that could happen. How are you going to decide how many intersection solutions you've got? You can use the discriminant b squared minus 4ac, and if it's greater than 0, you've got 2 solutions and intersections. One solution would be when it equals 0, and no solutions when it's less than 0. Not particularly exciting. We know what discriminant is. How do you solve them? You substitute the linear equation into the quadratic or the circle formula. It's just the fastest way of doing it. I think that's that bit out. Nice and short, 1 minute 48 seconds. Well, 1 minute 50 seconds, I don't know the time's going. Yeah, so that's pretty much an hour and a half in, 1 minute 55. Go me, bye.